What are your expectations for your acting career and your life, for your relationships, for your health, for your walk with God? What is your expectation? In this video, I'm going to show you how to raise your expectations to a point where you can actually achieve your desired goal. Do you see this? It's a magnifying glass. Say, duh, David, I know that. What does that have to do with expectation? It has to do with everything with expectation. Focus on this. I'm about to tell you why. And no, I haven't lost my mind. I don't have bats in my belfry. This is going to make sense. Oh, okay. So, what is this? This is a magnifying glass, right? Now, remember when you were a kid and you used to burn ants? Well, actually, I did. You know, I wasn't a nice kid. What can I say? I was experimenting. I was curious. So, in the heat of the summer day, I would go out and focus the sun to burn ants, okay? Because as you know, with a magnifying glass, it harnesses the sun. The sun is huge. This is a tiny little thing. Think about that. So you have the sun, which is light, which is enlightenment. It's knowledge, okay? Walk with me here. And you focus that, okay? And it starts to, well, burn ants or burn paper or burn leaves or whatever you do as a kid. Now think about this in the way of acting, in the way of life. To have expectation, you have to have a couple other things, okay? The first thing that you have to have in order to have expectation is a focus, hence this. You have to have a focus. For example, I'll give you an example. What do you expect today? Well, David, I expect to have a good day. I expect to get up tomorrow morning, too. Wow. That's amazing expectations. No, it's not. No, it's not. You're not raising your expectations. You're lowering them, okay? And the thing about it is here's the thing. Whatever you focus on, you become. If you are focusing on lowering your expectations and just settling for a so-so acting career, a so-so life, you know, that's what you're going to get. And of course you'll say, well, I got what I expected. Yeah, I told you. No, you don't have to do that. Now, in order for you to raise your expectations and to gain a better focus, there's one thing that we have to add to those two things. And here it is. It is an intangible. It is more important than breathing. However, the world and conditions and circumstances in life, especially recently, steals it from us. It steals, okay? And but you can get it back. You can get this back through what you focus on, because expectation is all about focus. You don't get what you expect. You get what you focus on. You don't get what you expect. You get what you focus on. But what light in yon window breaks? It is the dawn, and Juliet is the sun. What light causes your expectation to properly focus? Okay? What is this light? Okay? I'm not trying to be cryptic. I'm stirring your brain, okay? What one thing lights us up? What one thing encourages us to go forward and to raise our expectations and to get our dream and to get our goal and to lead our dream and to lead our passion? What is it? I'll tell you what it is. It's hope. Have you ever lost hope? Is your hope tank low today? My hope tank was low today, you know, but I did a couple of things that were very uncomfortable for me to progress more in my life, and guess what happened? All of a sudden I had hope. All of a sudden I had focus, okay? Hope is the light that gives your expectation focus. Well, that's pretty good. Hope is the light that gives your expectation focus. So you know what you're going to get. And focus is clarity, okay? But if you don't add the hope, the heat of the hope, the heat of the sun, the heat, you get what I'm getting, you're getting what I'm putting out there, right? Okay? If you don't have hope, you don't have much. So you might be saying, David, I don't have much hope. I've lost it with COVID-schmovid, with the pandemic. I lost my wife or my husband. I got a divorce. My child is sick. I lost my job. Things like that. Absolutely. I have sympathy and sometimes empathy, what you're going through. However, you can get your hope back. The sun will come out tomorrow. I was in that show twice and I still can't get the songs out of my head. So how do you get your hope back? Two ways. Two. Here's how you get your hope back so you can have the sun to allow you to focus on the proper thing at the proper time and achieve your goals and your dreams. How do you get your hope back? I'll tell you. Number one, what did you do before that set your life on fire? What did you do before that you were passionate about, that you'd love to do even if you didn't get paid for it? In acting, for example, in life. What did you do that made you smile, made you laugh, gave you energy, gave you juice? What did you do and why did you stop? Whatever reason it was, however valid the reason was that you stopped, start again. That's number one. Start again. That's right. David, I don't know if I can start again. No. Change is a choice, not a chance. It's not that you can't, it's that you won't. Ouch, my ego. No, seriously, we all go through this, right? I don't have the hope to do it. Then take action. The cure for non-hope is to take action. Physical action, movement, okay? Yesterday, I rode my bike. I didn't want to ride my bike, and I rode my bike. And all of a sudden, I had hope. I had hope, I had energy, and I loved the experience. So you have to take action on what you previously enjoyed. Number two, try something new. Yeah, exactly. If you've never tried something and you want to do it, you want to hang glide, you want to bungee jump. Not me, okay? All right. You want to do something. You want to learn something. You've never done it before, but you've always wanted to do it. Do it then. Do it. Do it, okay? Step out of your comfort zone and be excited about it. And if you need people, other actors, other people that support you in it, or, like jumping on an airplane with a parachute, okay? Go with a group, okay? There's strength in numbers. There's encouragement and courage. There's courage in numbers, okay? This will bring you hope. It'll bring you confidence. Oh, that's another thing. Remember I said you have expectation, and then the sun, then the focus, and you have hope, which is the juice, the fuel. There's one great thing that comes out of all those three, and that is confidence. Confidence. You build confidence by trying something new or going back to what you enjoy doing, okay? So I'm going to give you the formula. It's sort of like basic math. Here it is. Expectation, hope, focus, and confidence. You can arrange them any way you want, okay? But the idea is you don't have proper focus because you don't have hope. Your expectations are low, okay? Confidence doesn't come, it doesn't come like that, okay? It just doesn't appear. You have to do something in order to raise your expectations, gain that hope, okay? Stepping out of your comfort zone, and then you have your dream. My wish for you today is that I hope this makes sense. I hope this helps your expectation and your ability to focus, right, on what you really, really want in life. You can raise your expectations. You just need to focus and choose what you want to focus on. And I'm focusing on you right now. So subscribe. If you need a coach, I am here for you. davidthompsoncoaching.co, davidthompsoncoaching.co. 45-minute free consultation. Connect with me, I'll connect with you, and we'll figure out where you want to go and what your expectations are and how to raise them. Talk to you in the next video. Enjoy your day.